Hi! Hello guys! For today's episode, gagawa po ako ng pasta. Let's watch it! First, we need water, of course. Yan. We will boil some water. Ayan, and then we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix lang sa water, then hintayin po natin siyang kumulo. And then, our pasta. Yan, since we are 3 persons here, I use 3 cups of pasta. Then I will use 2 onions, bell pepper. Then we need to chop this ingredients. We need powdered red pepper, about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, thyme powder, black pepper, parsley, onion, and red bell pepper. So, our water is boiling now. And then, we will add the pasta. And let it boil. Let it boil for 8 minutes or until our pasta is already al dente. Covering it. Wait for 8 minutes. So yes, our noodles is, our pasta is boiling now. Yes. And let's check it. Yeah. I think it is ready. Okay. So let's check it if it's already eatable or al dente. So this is it, our pasta. And then I will be using this same pot again. Add some olive oil. All we need to do is to saute the onion and the red pepper. Then we need to add the tomato paste. Okay. It's 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just spread it evenly like this. Then we will add our pasta here in the mixture. Then you will just do like this. Ang bango. Naku mga sis, itry nyo to. Ang sarap ng palalabasan. Talagang magugustuhan nyo. At saka healthy siya. Kasi hindi ako gumamit ng ano dito, preservative. Kahit anong preservative. Puro mga natural ingredients lang. Ayan. And then, I will add some ayan, pinch of black pepper. Then, I will add thyme powder. Ang bango niya, promise. para may konting anghang. Optional. Lagay nyo ng pepper. Red bell pepper. Yan. Mix-mix nyo lang siya. And then, last but not the least, our parsley leaf. Okay? Get it out of here. As easy as that. We will just mix it like this. I will just add some salt. Kasi depende sa panlasa nyo kung ayaw nyo lang masyadong maalat. Konti lang ilagay nyo. And then, it's done. And then, taste test. Kain po. Ang sarap. Simple lang yung mga ingredients pero perfect. Sana try nyo tong recipe ko na to. Hindi po kayo magsisisi sa lasa. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And please pakihit na rin po ng notification bell for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. See ya!